Guys, welcome. Today we'll explore how logistics shapes the flow of goods and information from suppliers to customers and why location decisions are critical for business success. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand how to balance cost, revenue, and qualitative factors to make strategic location choices. So let's start. What is logistics? So, logistics goes beyond transportation. It involves planning, inventory management, and optimizing supply chains to save costs and boost efficiency. So, the ultimate goal is seamless coordination of materials and information across the entire supply chain. So, think of logistics as the backbone of supply chains. It's not just about moving goods from one place to another. It's about smart planning, managing inventory, and streamlining processes to deliver results faster and cheaper. Let's move to the another slide. So, importance of location in business, like there are two different things. Like it's also important for new businesses and also important for existing businesses. If we talk about new businesses, location impacts long-term success. For example, proximity to customers, suppliers, and for existing businesses, expansion or relocation can drive growth or cut costs. So, choosing the right location is not just a one time decision. For startups, it's foundational. For established companies, relocating can mean the difference between stagnation and scaling. Okay, let's move to the another slide. Uh, Key quantitative factors for location choice. So, there are two factors like cost and revenue. If we talk about costs like construction, production, and transportation costs, etc. For revenue, there are sales volume and pricing depend on location. And these are the formulas for total cost. If we have to calculate total cost, its formula is fixed cost plus variable cost into units that we have produced. And for the formula of total revenue, it's like selling price into units sold. So uh, the conclusion is numbers don't lie. A high traffic area might boost revenue but also increase rent. Use formulas like TC and TR to weight trade offs objectively. So let's move. It's qualitative factors that affecting the location like education, healthcare, transportation, utilities, and local amenities. Example parks and schools. So think about it. Would employees thrive here? A location with good schools and hospitals attracts talent. Even if rent is higher, never underestimate the soft factors. Move again. Tools for location analysis. Tools for analyzing location choices. There are many tools like a scoring model, center of gravity, transportation model. So for scoring model, rates location on weighted scores. Example, if the cost is 40% and amenities is 30%. So on the basis of this, we'll check the scoring model, like how much score is on the basis of locations. So the another one is center of gravity. Center of gravity is find the optimal midpoint for shipping, and the transportation model is minimizes shipping costs, like minimizing shipping costs between supplies and destinations. Imagine choosing between three cities. Like the scoring model helps rank them. The center of gravity method, it's like finding the sweet spot on a map to minimize delivery times. Uh, I think you understood what I am talking about. Let's move. International location decisions. So there are many factors like closer to customers, political benefits, and resource access. Closer to customers is like faster service for customer. If we if we go to the political benefits like tariff reductions or market access, and for access resources, scarce materials or cheaper labor, maybe. So going global, is it? So being near customers in Europe might reduce shipping times, while a factory in Southeast Asia could tap into cost effective labor, but always consider political stability. This is the main factor. Let's move again to the another slide. So this is balancing factors for success. um, Cost versus revenue. If we talk about cost versus revenue, so cut expenses without sacrificing sales potential. And if we go to the analytical tools, so use data to decide. And qualitative wins like happy employees equals to productive teams. I think you are understanding what I am talking about. So balance is key. A cheap location with poor infrastructure might save money today but cost you talent tomorrow. Always ask, does this choice align with our long term goals? So, the conclusion is like effective logistics and smart location choices are not just about cutting costs, they are about building a resilient, competitive business. Use the tools we have discussed, weigh both numbers and intangibles, and you will be ready to make decisions that drive growth. So, thank you. If you have any question on how to apply these strategies to your business, you can comment on my video. So, thank you. Thanks a lot.